Hello, I'm Linda, and this lesson is about energy. Okay, are you ready? So this lesson has a quiz, language work, reading and writing. How much do you know about the energy we produce and use in the world? We're going to find out a little bit more. Okay. So the quiz, 6 questions. You can pause the screen and choose one answer out of 3 for each question. Okay, pause now to choose your answers. Okay. So you can check your answers here. It's probably too small for you to see, or you can look in issue 480 of eewiki.newint.org. The figures are from 213, so we would hope they would have improved by now. Or you can look at the answers here. Okay, these are the answers in red. How many did you get correct? Okay, so the conclusion is the world could produce all the energy it needs from solar power and other clean energy sources. And the next question, who should produce all this solar power? Big energy companies or small local community groups? This issue of New Internationalist and the Easier English Wiki deals with this topic, the Great Green Energy Grab, it's called. So how much energy do we need? Here's a map of the Sahara with how much energy the EU needs in the small square and how much energy the world needs in the big square that could be produced by solar power over that area. Okay, back to English. Do you need to work on punctuation, spelling, and grammar? You're going to read about a big project, a big solar panel project, but you need to correct the punctuation, spelling, and grammar on each slide. Okay? First one is punctuation. So you need to pause the screen and correct the punctuation, capital letters, full stops, apostrophes, and brackets in this beginning of the text. Okay? Okay, did you find all the punctuation errors and correct them? We're going to check in a minute. Ready to continue the reading about the Desertec project? Okay. Now you have to correct the spellings. There's one word spelt wrongly on each line. For example, in the first line, yes, worried. It has double R. Okay, pause the screen and find the wrong spelling on each line. Okay, did you find them all? Okay, we'll check in a minute. Just to read the final part, there are grammar mistakes in this part of the reading. Every line has one grammar mistake. For example, on the first line, yes, it's all energy projects. It must be plural projects. Okay, so pause to correct the grammar. Okay, so here are the correct paragraphs, and you can read through again to check, and you can check your punctuation, spelling, and grammar corrections. An interesting project, Desertec. So to follow up, you can read more about the control of renewable energy. You can read more about the Desertec plan and about democratic energy systems from the EEWiki newint.org issue 480. Okay? And you can also do some writing. You could write a formal letter to your government about the future of energy. You can include what you're worried about and what you think the government should do. Make sure to check your letter afterwards for spelling, punctuation, and grammar errors. Okay? That's the end of the lesson.